Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Tricks app tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to change the profile picture for your WhatsApp group. So let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is to open your WhatsApp on your smartphone. Once you are in the app, navigate to the group that you want to change the profile picture of. Once you are in the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to access the group settings. From there, you will see the current profile picture of the group. Tap on it and then tap on the pencil icon, and a menu will appear with options to choose a new picture. You can choose to take a new photo using your phone's camera, select a photo from your phone's gallery, add emojis and stickers as profile picture, and even search on web directly. Choose the photo that you want to use as group's new profile picture and then tap OK. Now you will be able to crop the photo to fit the profile picture's dimensions. Make sure to adjust it to your likings and then tap the Done button. That's it. You have successfully changed the profile picture of your WhatsApp group, but wait, there's more. If you're not happy with your first choice, you can always change the profile picture again. Just follow the same simple steps that we have gone over. It's important to note that all members of the group will be able to see the new profile picture once you have changed it. So make sure to choose a photo that's appropriate for the group. And that's it guys. It's a simple process but one that can really make a difference in the way your group is perceived. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.